words come to my mind when I think of the Ohio Writing Project.
When I think of the Ohio Writing Project, I think of words like professional.
Or teachers teaching teachers.
Teachers teaching teachers.
Teachers teaching teachers.
Education, reform, support.
Or being professional, or being in a community, or sharing practices.
Best practices, I think of literacy.
It's good teaching.
The Ohio Writing Project started at Miami University in 1980, and it was the first site in Ohio.
The goals and mission of the Ohio Writing Project are to support, encourage, uplift teachers, creating bridges and relationships so that there is a more common and authentic conversation happening around education.
The Writing Project, we design our curriculum based on what teachers want to learn about. Vocabulary workshops, we have reading and writing workshop, we have poetry, we have multi-genre, we have assessment of student writing, revision techniques, editing and grammar, all aspects of the classroom.
It is important to feel how the students feel, because when you're trying to teach students and you want to find out the best way to do that, it always makes sense to try to remember how you learn yourself.
And we really believe that in order to teach writing, you need to be writing yourselves. And in order to teach reading, you need to be a reader yourself. And so we really help teachers find that or rediscover that part of themselves, because sometimes as a teacher, it's easy to lose that.
And so teachers get to experience again what it means to write something.
The sense of community is really important. The trust is really important. That credibility is there.
They're in the trenches together.
So after almost 4 weeks in the Ohio Writing Program, the biggest thing I've learned is to put myself in the shoes of my students as a learner.
Sacred writing time every day was something that I don't get often, and has reignited my passion for actually writing.
Sometimes writing is pushed off to the side, and so being able to actually think about writing and teach my kids how to do writing is so awesome.
I have so many ideas in my head right now of how I'm going to be a better teacher this year. I'm going into my 3rd year of teaching, and so far it's felt like I've been on autopilot compared to all of the inspiration I've gotten here.
Because a lot of times you leave a class, and even if you got along with the people and the students in the class, the other peers, you're kind of done and you leave the class. But the Writing Project is different. So once you're there, you're in a community of teachers and writers, and you're always sharing practices, and you'll see each other and come back.
And I love, as an instructor, one of my favorite moments is seeing the light bulb go off for teachers, that they're like, oh yeah, this is just good teaching.
And one of my favorite moments, I think, has to be that moment when a teacher in the 4 weeks says, this is huge. Or when they say, oh my gosh, I had no idea what I was signing up for. This has changed everything.
The Ohio Writing Project is hard to describe. When people ask what do you do as a job, it's almost impossible to describe. You can't describe the feeling of the Ohio Writing Project. And so every summer, knowing that teachers are giving up their time to learn more and be writers and better teachers for students, I think that's what's important about the Writing Project.